So you kind of follow the buyer journey, what brought them to
Hmm.
market, how they've heard about you, what they thought about you, your process, your company in relation to the competitors. And then you
Hmm.
want to get into their decision, what direction they went, what were the key factors in that decision,
Hmm.
and like kind of understanding where the delta was between, you versus your competitor. I'm kind of thinking of like a radar graph of like they were strong on this side and we were strong on
Yeah.
this side. And this was
Hmm.
the most important piece to us. And that
Yeah.
kind of helps understand like, is that this was their perception? Was it accurate? And so like, was it really a product loss where their product, the competitor's product was a better fit, or was it a sales loss where the competitor's sales process was better?
Yeah.
Is that
Yeah,
kind of how you think,
exactly.
right way to think about it?
Yeah. Bingo. Yep.
Cool. I'm starting a win-loss analysis company next
There
week.
you go. Giving you all the keys to the castle right here.
No, I mean, this is the best part of the podcast. Like, I get to learn how to do a thing, and I'm annoyingly curious anyway. And I'm going to ask
Mhm.
this, even if we just met in a bar, I'd be asking these
Mhm.
same questions. So now we just record it and people get to listen and kind of benefit from me annoying people with, like, oh, tell me more, tell me more, tell me
Yeah.
more.
Well, like I said, it's why I like win and loss so much is that like it's not rocket science. We're asking buyers about what they thought about a company and why they made the decision they did. But there's so much you can unpack from the responses that the buyers are giving you. And I just find it fascinating. But yeah, it's not like there's some, secret algorithm to doing it. You just have to do it well. You got to commit to it and, kind of there is some level of expertise and little tips you can do to do it better. But you really just kind of have to commit to it and just act on the feedback as it comes in.
Totally. Like anything, it's one of those things it's easy to talk about. It's very hard
Mhm.
to
Yeah.
do. It's very easy to do once. It's very, very
Right.
hard to do consistently every
Yeah,
deal.
I guess that's true. Yeah, I'm coming at it after doing it for 10 years. So what may seem easy to me, isn't always that easy to do for the first time. But that's with everything. You just got to commit to the right habits, and win loss is a great habit to get into.
Love that.